Hey everybody, it's Matt bringing this unboxing to you. First, I want to thank the people at Warm Audio for sending me this demo of the WA-2MPX. wa-mpx, I think is how you pronounce it. Probably not. It's a 2-channel model of their MPX preamp. Really excited about it. Gonna be doing a full demo, also a review, so plenty more content coming. But first, we gotta take it out of the box. So I was like, well, if I'm gonna take it out of the box, I might as well turn on a camera and do it on camera, because I think people like that. I don't know. All right, so here we go. I'm opening it. All right, so far, we got lots of foam. It's kind of your standard thing. Well, let's take this little cable out first. This is what they refer to as an IEC, interchangeable electrical cable. I got a whole drawer of them. It's heavy, that's a good sign. Like a glove. I don't need that anyways. Okay, it's now successfully out of the box, but now we gotta take it out of the bag. That's right, you saw someone subscribed. That means you get a treat. You too, there you go. Have you subscribed yet? What are you waiting for? Oh, I actually can't hold that like that with one hand because it's too heavy. There we go. Now, out of the box and out of the bag. That is pretty. It has so many switches, I can't even tell you. It's got like 1, 2, like 76 switches. Already sounds great. Looking forward to plugging this one in. Let's see, on the back, we have inputs and outputs. That's pretty normal. Let's check out what it comes with here. In the box, you have a nice brochure. They want you to buy more of their stuff, which is all good that I have tried out. Got a couple other Warm Audio videos on the channel. Make sure you check those out. And then, a manual for how it works. Always recommend RTM or RTFM. Read the manual. It really helps you learn your equipment. And then some nice stickers. I think I'm supposed to put those right over the air vents on the top of it. I'll make sure and do that before I send it back. And I'm sure they'll thank me for that. So this is it. Like I said, gonna be doing a demo and review, recording some music with this. Very excited about it. And I'll let you know how it goes.